We are pleased to show you the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.